Guys, for today's video, guys, dumating na po yung order ko sa Temu. Yes. Tingnan natin kung ano to. Yan. Yan. Perfect yan. Tama yan. Tama. And, yes, guys. Dumating na yung cortina Christmas curtain. Oo, diba? Lagay natin yan dito. Palitan natin yan, guys, ng Christmas, curtain. Tingnan natin kung tama ba itong in-order natin. Ito natin, syempre. Yes! Correct, guys. Yan po. Yes. Christmas curtain. Palitan natin yan dyan maya-maya. And then, what else we got here? Okay, this is for my, kasi I am the, nag-live stream po tayo. So, ito po yung natin. Tama. Tama po siya, guys. Tama. And I don't know what is this. I forgot what I ordered. Because it's been, couple weeks before I receive it. Ay, maliit pala siya. Toilet holder, guys. Tama siya, guys. Tama. And, of course, my shoes. I ordered some shoes. Let's say if the right. This is for my work shoes. Ay, ang liit. Uy, ang cute! Diba, cute? Cute siya, guys. Oh, diba? Diba, cute? Work shoes, of course. Sukat natin, syempre. Perfect size. Perfect size. Thank you. Dumating na yung natin. Order. Yes. Hi guys, nilagay ko na po yung Christmas curtain na karating lang po kanina. So look at that, it's so nice. Diba? Ang ganda. Oh, diba? Christmas na sa amin. Christmas na guys kasi ito po sa kusina. Saka yung tablecloth. Oh, diba? Oh, Pasko na.